Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News. Kajala Meghalaya rengkat kari India hibro kawai. Haka khatsan trigunailar klara ke ya kasngi lailu jongkari. Ne ke Independence Day ke bah nyop san snem. Haka ba omentri rong ba Kajala U Conrad ke sangma ulapen her ya kalama jongkari. Bat shimbentaru ya karashtia saliu ya ki kenhun ke baya shimbenta haparits kablalong hamadan polo shilong. Haka jingdam nyopsan snem U Conrad sangma ulaong ka jing yo lai lut kari dei ban kan mau ya ki riu shilur ki balalen ya la ka jong ka jing em ban mat ya ki babun ki jing ki balaya khun persha ya ki pareng nadu Mahatma Gandhi U Jawaharlal Nehru U Subhash Chandra Bose U Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Bhagat Singh bat kiwai ki balaya khun ban pentikna bakari kalayo ya ka jing lai lut. Haka South Rik Uyayong Shihaja Praspa Arp Khandai Usim Kahima Nongklau Utirot Singh Ulahiar Thmai ki Pareng Dakabala Lumlang Yaki Khasi Bat Haka Khat Out Rik Unopra Shihaja Praspa Hanyopoar Upatugan Sangma Ulayalami ki Pajgaro Banyakun Persha Yaki Pareng Bat haka khat pratrik ukalai lengkot Shihaja Praspa handrupoar ukyang dongba ulayalami ki pajba karilum jantia banyakun persya iki pareng. Bat kini kinong yalam jong Kajala kilayakun persya iki pareng bat kila len yala ka jong ka jingim na kabenta kari layatu Conrad ke sangma. Bun kinong yalam bat kiseng san perthai kilabu haka manifesto ka jongki bakin pynbeit ye uput usam bat kila persang ru ban le halor kani U Conrad ula ai khublei ya kari Henry dei kani ka sorkar ka blashim ki sen jam ban la ban pynbeit ye uput usam ubla sateng la bun snem U Conrad ula ong shushuru bat ula keren ru halor ki pang hakani ka jingyalang ka blalong ya ka ba ka sorkar klale hakini ke saus nem shiteng.
The technology that's available today to be able to achieve things in a much quicker and faster way. Sometimes they've missed that there's a holistic approach to everything rather than departments working in silos. And all these thought processes has driven us to do what we did in the last 4.5 years. Many political parties, governments have put it in their manifesto that border issue will be resolved. Many parties and leaders have spoken about it and they've tried their best to do something about it. And I thank each and every one of them. But it is this government that has taken that extra step forward to finally find a solution to the long pending issue of border dispute between Assam and Meghalaya. 50 years it could not happen. But we have started doing it in the last 5 years. And it's all because of the political will that we have. Because of the belief that we are here for a purpose and we would like to look back after 10, 20 years, 15 years and tell ourselves that we did not lose that opportunity to be able to serve the people of our state when we had it. We did not shy away from the challenge and the tough decision we had to take when it came in front of us. I would not want to look back and regret that we did not move ahead. And that's why it gives me immense pleasure and satisfaction to see that we have moved forward in this very, very complicated situation. We faced a lot of challenges. Our leaders went to every village, met every stakeholder, met different community leaders, and then only we arrived at the MOU for the first 6 phases. I can assure you that we will resolve the next 6 locations also. Because we have the political will to move forward and the courage to take the decision when it has to be. And we have achieved and managed to bring hope, faith and belief that things can happen, that things can change, that things can move forward, that we as Meghalaya can be the top 10 states in the country the next 10 years. I know it because I heard it and I felt it in the voice of Sri Mabel Sharap CM, the CM of Right Nongtung from Block 2. When he told us the meeting that he has suffered for 50 years, they've been fighting with the people from the other side in terms of the state. They've been living in great difficulty. And that he had lost hope that the border issue will ever be resolved. But in that meeting he said that I have faith now. I have hope now, and I believe that in this government it can happen. Because you did it in the first 6 areas, I know that you can do it. I saw and heard and I felt it in his voice, the faith that he had, that this government will do it. And let me tell him, let me tell Shri Mawel Sharap CM, that I assure you that this government will find a solution and will bring an end to the suffering of the people who are living in the border areas. I saw the belief and the faith and the hope in the eyes of Raksan Salma, who managed to do better than the international benchmark when he sprinted. And the hope in his eyes, the twinkle in his eyes, was that he will win the Olympic medal for Meghalaya one day. That's the hope and the faith and the belief he managed to bring out in Raksan Sangma, that now he has a chance that maybe one day, he will be able to win the Olympics for our state. We may have a lot of challenges and difficulties, but we have a lot of strength. Our strength is each one of you out here, our people. Our strength is our community. Our strength is our rich culture. Our strength is our resources. Our strength is our youth. And as I said, though we may have many challenges, if we can bring all of these strengths together and channelize them in the right way, work together, fight together, I can assure you there will be no challenge that we cannot